Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2022 Kubota M7060D utility farm tractor. This tractor has 80 original hours. Tractor is a 2022 year model. Tractor does have emissions warranty on it until 10/13 of 2027. Like new tractor, again, just 80 hours on it. Was a one owner tractor. Bought it, their needs changed, they downsized properties and they decided to sell this tractor. This does have a 12x12 transmission in it. So 6 speeds forward and low, 6 speeds forward and high, and then you're going to do that again in your reverse range. Obviously, low and high will have 6 each gears in reverse. It is a hydraulic shuttle. This does have the LA1154 quick attach front loader with a OEM Kubota factory skid steer quick attach tractor series bucket. This tractor does have some very nice options on it. Obviously, it is an open station tractor. This tractor does have radial tire on it. So in the rear, it's going to be 420/75R 34s. Up front, going to be 320/70R 24s. Rear tires are loaded, and this tractor does have what is called the center cast wheel centers. So it builds a lot of weight into this tractor. Folding roll bar, category 2 3-point hitch, does have the extendable link arms on it, drawbar, obviously 540 PTO. Very, very clean tractor. We've just done a full service. All filters and oils have been changed. Tractor is ready to go to work. So we're going to start here underneath the engine compartment. We're going to take you completely around this tractor. So what we'll do here, we're going to go ahead, we're going to open up this hood. If I can remember where the hood release is at, pretty impressive, right? It's on my other side. I think I'd remember that. I own one of these tractors. So under the hood of this tractor is going to be powered by a Kubota 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. Again, we have done a complete and full service on the tractor. All the filters and oils have been changed. Up front, you'll have your hydraulic cooler. You're going to have fuel cooler. You will have your radiator. Air filter assembly is up front. Obviously, same as your battery. Bear with us here today. In the upcoming weeks, we have a new gentleman here behind the camera. Landon, say hi, Landon.
Hi.
Don't do like me last week. I said hi, Nick. Anyhow, 4-cylinder Kubota diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. Again, we've done a full service. Everything is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and close this up. Hood is immaculate shape, very straight, not dented, bent, twisted, anything like that. We do have a level gauge up here on the boom. We do have standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. You can see that there is still paint on the factory cutting edge on the bucket. Radial tires, you can still see all the little rubber webbing. Little tips are still on the tires. Excellent condition. Rear tires the same way. Again, drawbar, beautiful shape, still nice and square. Easy link. Top link, 1 set of rear remotes. Trailer plug is here. Toolbox, fuel tank. This does have 540 and 540E PTO. Folding ROPS. I'm going to head up on the station. A few going around. So, again, this is an open station tractor. Kind of give you a quick glimpse here. Does have the nice Kubota suspension seat with armrests. Here you're going to have your high and low range, up and down for your 3-point draft control, 540 PTO. That is going to be your handle for your auxiliary hydraulics. 6-speed transmission with high and low again, so it's a 12x12 with your hydraulic shuttle. Joystick loader control, independent brake, foot throttle, tilt wheel is right here. I'll show you right here. And we're going to start the tractor to show you. We have no error codes, shows we're in park 80.8 hours. You have your 4-wheel drive. Lights, turn signals, 4 ways. Guys, I'm going to turn this back over to Landon. I'm going to start this tractor up, I'm going to run around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So the Kubota tractors, this tractor does have park transmission, which is very nice. I do have that in 2 of my tractors from Kubota. It is a very nice feature. So I am in low range. 4-wheel drive is in. 4-wheel drive is now out. Again, hydraulic shuttle. I can move the shuttle to neutral, or I can depress the clutch pedal. 4th, 5th reverse, 6th reverse, and we'll go ahead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we'll do now, we're going to go ahead, we're going to go to high range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, obviously. Shows you we have all of our gears. Now, one nice thing in the Kubota hydraulic shuttle transmission, we don't have to clutch. We're going to head back to hydraulic shuttle, so it's an actual hydraulic clutch pack in there. Very stable tractor. It does have what is called a high lift loader, so it has 2 different pin placements there where you can change the loader pin lift height, which is nice. We have float. Power steering. See how nice the tractor turns. Three-point. 540 PTO. If you're looking for a nice little utility tractor, you're going to feed round bales, you're going to pull a rake, tedder, it's going to be an awesome little tractor for that. It is very quick, gets around nice, and it is set on radial tire, which is really nice. Again, does have the level gauge. Like I said, fellas, I like new tractor. 4-ways, turn signals, headlights, everything works. Guys, very nice open station tractor. Again, sitting on radial rubber. Grill guard, folding ROPS, just 80 hours. Any questions, 814-658-3066. Please take a look at our website. We take a lot of photos. We pride ourselves in doing that. Also, truthfully, we do service a tractor, so it has, everything's been changed, is ready to go to work. We specialize in nice late model equipment. I like stuff like this. You know, it's cut and dried, but we'll still have the customers that call, well, does it really have 80 hours? I don't know how to be any more clear. I don't know how to be any more authentic of what we do. This is us, not a scripted video. We 100% just come out here at 3 o'clock this afternoon. After all day, I wanted to do some videos. We're just getting time to do this. It's part of what we do. We do this as a service to the customer. You truthfully can see what you're buying. Not many people go to the extent that I do to make a video like this. Most people do a 20-second video after they wet it down with a garden hose. Apparently that must make it look better. So this is the truth of what this tractor is. It's a like-new tractor. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company.